About a week ago, Sparrows sent out an email, a mass mailing with a kind of an unusual offer. They basically said, we have a new product coming out next week. We're not going to tell you what it is, but if you'd like to pre-order it, we will sell you one for $39. If you wait till next week, when we announce it, they're going to sell for around $50, $49.95, something like that. You know, I couldn't resist. I've never been disappointed in Sparrow stuff before, so I ordered 2 of them, and last night Bill got a brand new pair of giant steel balls. Each of them packed very nicely in these soft velvet ball sacks, along with a lot of other stuff. They call these the trophy spheres, and this is one, I've put the other one together, but this is what you get. You get the sphere. It's got a flat spot for displaying, so when you set it on your countertop with your show lock, it doesn't roll around, doesn't fall over. So very cool. It's also very comfortable to hold. It's just the right size. Inside of it, you also get one of Sparrow's training locks with a bunch of extra pins. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. You get a little Allen wrench and 2 or 3 little set screws. I'll show you what those are for. I've actually put this one together. So this is what it will look like. This is with the training lock installed, and there it is sitting flat for display. Very cool. It is a Schlage keyway, so kind of a little bit paracentric, so good for training. You do get a bunch of extra springs with this training lock. I think these are drivers, and then here we got some key pins, and then there's your little wrench with the extra stuff. And then, I don't know if they're all keyed the same, but I am not disappointed in this one at all. So we got a 5-pin, and you can tell by the shape of the key it's a Schlage, and this one works perfectly. Get in there. I don't know if this one has standard pins or security pins, but there we go. It only rotates 45 because the actuator's hitting in the inside of the body, but you can see it is open, and now, of course, locked. Let's see if we can pick it. Let me grab a wrench. It is a Schlage, so this should fit. Yep, and I'll put that right there. And I will take a medium hook, let him in there, apply moderate tension, and let's see what we got. Pin 4 feels like. Got a click. Well, there's got to be one in there. Come on, somebody's binding. Oh, there it is, pin 5, tiny click. That's 3, minor click. And there we go. Oh, no security pins. There are standard pins, but after all, it is a training lock. So if you have a trophy lock, like one of the locks that I leave on my workbenches, I bought like 6 of these. They're all keyed identically. This is an ASA V10. I've never been able to pick it. Just a constant source of frustration, but it does take time to pick it up, put it in the vise. So a lot of times I won't because I've only got a couple of minutes. But if I buy a couple of these, and I probably will, you can see we have the grooves in the side. These are standard mortar cylinders to fit those little ribs. It slides in there like so, and then put your set screw in, and that'll keep it from sliding in and out. Keep this on the workbench. When I got a couple of minutes, I can pick it up and pick it. Very cool idea. The giveaway. This is not a standard giveaway. Usually those are on Saturdays, but there is a way to do it, and that is if you leave a comment. I'll leave the comments up for a week, and then after 1 week, my webmaster will use some software to randomly pick a couple of winners. So each winner will get 1 set of these. I will throw in this ASA V10 with this one, and for the other one, I have 4 of these all keyed identically, and these are kind of rare. This is a Scorpion, but as I said, I've got several of them keyed the same. I don't need all of them, so that will go with this guy. So you'll have a beginner lock, a beginner training lock, and you also have what I consider to be quite an advanced lock, at least advanced way beyond my skills. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks, guys.